welcome back to another Dooney and Burke unboxing. Ooh. For all of you Dooney and Burke friends, I wonder if you guys could guess what this is. Alright, let's get into the box. Oh, look at this. The iPad mini case. I don't know why everything is so dusty from the warehouse. Oh, isn't this cute? Oh, it's so dusty. Cabriolet, Dooney and Burke. Oh, isn't that cute? It's like the of the convertible, the top. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll see if my iPad mini fits that. And then here we have it. Whoa, let me get rid of this box. Here we have it, you guys. My first pair of Dooney and Burke shoes. I have, what size? I got a 9.5. And what does it say? Made in Portugal. Oh, look at the dust bag. Oh, isn't that adorable? Alright, come on. Cooperate. Oh, look at this. Oh, cute. Whoa. Look at these sneakers. Fresh. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look how they have them laced. Oh, my goodness. Look at the fine craftsmanship we have here. Oh, the sneakers, the laces, they have like a, feels like a little coating on them. Dooney and Burke, made in Portugal. Oh, they have white lining. It's like a white, I guess a white leather. Look at these beauties, you guys. Check them out. So, let me try them on for you guys. See what you think. These are cute. Yes. All right, I'll try them on. Hold on.